Welcome to our guide on stocks, one of the fundamental components of the financial world. In this video, we'll delve into what stocks are and how they can play a crucial role in your investment portfolio. So, what exactly are stocks? Simply put, stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you're purchasing a small piece of that company. These shares are then traded on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Investing in stocks can offer tremendous opportunities for growth. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares can increase, allowing you to sell them at a profit. However, it's important to remember that stocks also come with risks. The value of your investment can fluctuate, and there's always the possibility of losing money. There are different types of stocks to consider. Common stocks are the most common type and typically come with voting rights at shareholder meetings. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, often offer fixed dividends but may not have voting rights. When it comes to investing in stocks, it's essential to do your research. Look into the company's financial health, its industry, and its growth prospects. Consider factors like earnings, revenue, and management quality. Additionally, diversification is key. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, spread your investments across different companies and industries to reduce risk. In conclusion, stocks can be a powerful tool for building wealth over the long term. By understanding how they work and making informed investment decisions, you can take control of your financial future. Stay tuned for more videos on investing and finance. Thanks for watching.